Well, for the last 2 or 3 years, we have been considering moving out of a large home that we don't use all the space in into a smaller unit to get rid of the responsibilities and maintenance of a home. So we started looking at places like Cadence Creek, 55 plus apartments. We liked this one. We always kept coming back here. So we decided this is the place.
I chose Cadence Creek because I did a lot of research before I moved here, before I sold my home. They have a high occupancy rate, so I figured they must be doing something right.
The amenities, for one thing. I came out on a Sunday, walked around on the courtyard, fell in love with the courtyard. Everyone was friendly, close enough between my daughter and my doctors, so that's what made me do it.
There is a calendar that shows every event that you can get involved with.
My favorite is the art class. We have an exceptional teacher that is very professional.
One of my favorite events, I have to say, is the karaoke on Fridays. The mix and mingles is good. That's a chance where you just get down and just talk to people.
We're really close to shopping, and that was important to me.
We have a 2-bedroom apartment. I use one of the bedrooms as an office. We had a large home, but we utilized only a smaller percentage of the space there. We have all of the same kind of things here that we had in our home, but on a smaller scale.
I like the layout. I came from a large home, and so this is really easy for me to maintain, and I have a wonderful balcony that's 20 feet wide.
My favorite area to spend time is the pool. I go there, just sit down and relax and read and talk to the people that's there.
We were looking for just community, people that we could meet.
Wonderful people, met a lot of people, always have somebody to do something with. And I just enjoy the location and everything that's surrounding the area.
And that's why I would recommend it to anyone. If you want to get out of the home and sell your house and find a nice place to live, this Caldwell property is what you're looking for.
I think you'll be impressed by the fact that it's fairly new, it's very clean, its accommodations are very nice, and the staff are very nice here, very helpful.
My life has been made a lot better since I joined this community because I don't have the worries of a home and maintaining, because I live by myself. So this is just perfect for me.